Let me ask you about a different issue.
There you go.
The Supreme, well, he didn't inhale. The Supreme Court will hear arguments on same-sex marriage this week. You say the federal government should stay out of this issue and leave it as it has traditionally been left to the states. Should the court therefore strike down the Defense of Marriage Act, which is one of the cases it's going to be hearing this week, which bans federal benefits for same-sex couples who are legally married in their state? Would you strike down that as federal interference in a state matter?
You know, I think it's a really complicated issue. I've always said that the states have the right to decide. I do believe in traditional marriage. Kentucky's decided it, and I don't think the federal government should tell us otherwise. There are states that have decided in the opposite fashion, and I don't think the federal government should tell anybody or any state government how they should decide this. Marriage has been a state issue for hundreds and hundreds of years. DOMA is complicated, though, because DOMA does provide protection for the states from the federal government, but then you're right, part of it federalizes the issue. I think there's a chance the court could strike down the federalization part of it. If they do, I think the way to fix it is maybe to try to make all of our laws more neutral towards the issue. And I don't want the government promoting something I don't believe in, but I also don't mind if the government tries to be neutral on the issue. You know, the tax code, I'm for a flat income tax, and we wouldn't have marriage as part of the tax code. Health insurance, I think there's a way to write it where it would be neutral and you wouldn't bring marriage into the whole idea of health insurance.